Hi, I'm Sawyer with Jarvis Lighting. The SCRT Series Canopy light is 2 fixtures in 1, and I'll show you how it works. This ultra slim canopy light is different than any other canopy light on the market because it functions as 2 fixtures in 1. The SCRT Series can be installed directly into a gas station canopy or any other canopy with topside access for new installations. It can also be easily retrofitted into an LSI Scottsdale fixture without the need of any additional hardware. The LED module is only ½ an inch thick, maximizing clearance under your gas station canopy. This 104-watt fixture features a polycarbonate lens with UV resistance to yellowing, so your gas station lighting can stay bright and clear. This 2-in-1 fixture ships with everything you need for both the new installation and retrofit applications. Inside the box, you'll find a 3/4 inch NPT pipe nipple, 4 self-tapping screws, a pair of LED extension wires, 4 connectors, your LED panel, and finally your driver compartment. That's everything that comes in our SCRT box. To install the SCRT directly into a canopy, you will need the 3/4 inch NPT pipe nipple and the 4 self-tapping screws. Begin by drilling a 1½ inch hole in the canopy. Feed the LED wires through the hole and secure the corners of the panel in place using the provided self-tapping screws. Apply a generous amount of silicone caulk to the center hole in the canopy and where the 4 screws penetrated the canopy. Attach the provided pipe nipple into the rear of the panel, then attach the driver box, making sure to feed your wires through. Bring in your power via outdoor rated flexible conduit, make all your wiring connections, then close the driver box and secure it using the 4 provided screws. To retrofit the SCRT into an LSI Scottsdale gas station canopy fixture, you will need the LED extension wires and connectors. First, open the driver compartment on the Scottsdale and remove the ballast. Make your wiring connections inside the SCRT driver box, then feed the LED extension wires down through the Scottsdale fixture. Close the driver box and secure it in place using the Scottsdale's clips. Below the canopy, open the lens frame and remove the lens, the bulb, the socket, and the reflector. Set the SCRT panel into the Scottsdale lens frame and make your wiring connections, then close the frame, snapping it into place. With 2 easy installation applications in 1 fixture, the ultra slim SCRT Series canopy light is the perfect solution for your gas station lighting needs. To learn more about the SCRT Series and the many other fixtures we offer, check out the other videos on our channel or visit www.jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.